Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making tomato and spinach pasta. This one's going to be super simple, so let's get started. We've got a big pot of boiling salted water with just a splash of oil, and we're going to put in a portion of our penne pasta. All right, I'm going to let that cook away. In the meantime, we have some Italian turkey sausage that we've taken out of the casing, and we are going to begin to brown that. It's going to release a lot of fat and oil out into the pan, not as much as it would if it were a traditional Italian sausage where this is turkey and it's leaner, but we'll drain off any of the fat that does collect. And then once we do that, it's as simple as adding in our tomatoes and our spinach and our garlic until our spinach wilts. And basically that's going to be our sauce for our pasta. So it doesn't get much simpler than that. Going to begin to brown up our turkey here. Alright, so our Italian turkey sausage has browned. You can see we've just got just a little bit of the fat or the oil coming off. So we're going to drain that off. Okay, so we've drained off the fat. We have some canned tomatoes, all they're liquid. We also have some dried oregano that we added to it. So we're going to add that in. Bring our heat up to medium. Going to add in our garlic. We're going to let this cook together for a couple of minutes before we add our spinach in. Just kind of pull all of this together. Our pasta's just about where we need it. Give it just another minute or so. Okay, now what we can do is go ahead and add our spinach on top. Just kind of spread it out a little bit. And then we're going to let the heat of the pan do the rest of the work here. So we're just going to let our spinach kind of wilt on top. While our pasta finishes cooking, we'll add just a splash of our pasta water. That's got some of the starch from the pasta inside of it. Heat up. We're going to let that spinach wilt down. All right, so we're ready to drain our pasta. Okay, let it set for just a couple of minutes. We pull all of this together. You can see our spinach is wilting. So at this point, we can toss our pasta in. And you can kill the heat and let the residual heat in the pan do the rest of the work. So basically this is it. We've got a little bit of cheese to sprinkle over the top once you plate it, or put it in a bowl, which is probably what we'll do in this case. So you get some of that nice liquid from the tomatoes and the pasta inside of there. So all that's left is to plate it up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.